Hi, I'm Stu from Stuart Parry Plumbing, based in Ballarat and travel across Western Victoria looking after everyone who's purchasing wood heaters, predominantly from Ballarat Heating Centre. So come out to Newell North today. As you can see, we've installed the wood heater. We had some slight complications here today. Unfortunately, our photos weren't up to being truthful, and we found that we had a beam in the ceiling. Well, first things first, we had to get a plaster in just to re-plaster up the hole, and then the guys from Pivot with the different products range they have with this new room seal Flue kit, they brought me up some 45-degree bends. Certainly helped accommodate to get around that bend and helped us finish the job off. Yeah, been doing it for 31 years now and loving the job. Live in a cold climate here in Ballarat and surrounding districts, so yeah, love it. And if you ever need a wood heater installed, more than happy to help you out. Stuart Parry Plumbing, check it out on Facebook.